Okay, let's get folding with our beautiful napkins. Now for the first one we're going to make is a little Christmas tree. Okay, first we are going to fold our large napkin in half and then in half again, so you have a small square. Now turn it so the opening is in front of you, and then you have to fold it up, leaving a small gap around the folds, and repeat that with all of the other bits. Once you're finished with that, turn it over, and then you fold the sides up, sort of a third in, and then tuck in the bottom in one of those to keep it nice and tidy. After that, you tuck under those little pointy corners, and there you have your Christmas tree. Nice and easy, and it looks really beautiful on a plate. This next one is called the poinsettia. I like the flower, and I did this last year. It looks fantastic. So you turn it upside down so the good side is facing the table, and fold in all of the corners. Now once you're done, fold in the other corners once again to the middle. Once you're done with that, flip it upside down, and then fold the corners into the middle again. Now, once you're finished with this, make sure you hold onto the middle a little bit, and then put your hand behind the napkin and pull up the folded corners that we did before. And there you have it, such a beautiful thing. It is actually quite easy, but it is very impressive looking. Now our next one is going to be a very simple one. We fold our napkin in half, and then we fold down the edge about a third and turn it over and fold both sides into the middle, sort of a quarter in, so they meet in the middle. And then fold it once more, and there you have it, a very easy and stylish pocket, something a little bit more modern where you can put your cutlery inside. Now this one is a classic, I'm sure you have seen it before. Fold it in half, fold your napkin in half, and then you kind of zigzag fold up your napkin the short way, almost all the way. So you have about maybe 5 centimeters left at the end, about 2 inches. Once you're there, fold it in half so that what you have just folded up is in the front, and you fold it over like this. Now you need to open this up a little bit and fold the remaining 5 centimeters, tuck them in a sort of triangular shape, and then you have to stand it up like that and let go, and it will sort itself out. There you go. And there you have it. Those are all our beautiful folds. And I hope you have a lovely celebration.